Welcome to the Locknow safety team. We are excited to serve you. The Locknow app features three primary screens. On the left, the home screen is shown displaying all available alerts. In the middle, you can see an active threat alert notification which is sent with an alarm. On the right, you see a straightforward messaging screen that facilitates easy communication for your team. The standard response protocol is implemented in the Locknow app. This is a widely recognized protocol and promotes a common understanding of emergency situations. There are numerous free resources available to you at their website iloveyoguys.org. A brief description of each alert is shown here. This is one example of the free resources provided by the standard response protocol at their website iloveyoguys.org. They have resources tailored to schools, churches, and other public settings. All users may not have access to all of the alerts. The alerts you can access are determined by your facility settings. To activate an alert, tap the desired icon on the home screen to start the process. To activate a lockdown, first tap the red lockdown icon. Next, tap the location of the threat. Your location options are pre-programmed into the app for your facility. Finally, slide the initiation bar to the right to activate the alert. You'll receive a confirmation text message once the alert is activated. After you activate or receive an alert, navigate to the messaging screen for important communication and updates regarding your situation. When receiving an alert, the alarm will override silent or vibrate settings on your phone. The alert can be silenced by opening the notification on your screen or pressing volume buttons on your phone. Opening the notification will take you to the messaging screen, or you can launch the app manually. Again, monitor the messaging screen during an event for important communication. Be aware that anything tethered to your phone can interrupt the alarm and notifications from the app. The messaging screen heading provides crucial information during any event. At the top, you'll see the name of the person who activated the alert, the time it was triggered, the campus where it occurred, and the specific location of the threat. All alerts are activated in the same manner we just described. The messaging screen works the same for each alert as well. Simple communication during a stressful situation. During any alert, users can swiftly activate a lockdown quickly at the top of the screen. It's essential to be prepared for an active threat situation. If needed, you can quickly communicate a lockdown by tapping the Escalate to Lockdown button and confirming your action on the following screen. Be aware, if you allow your phone to remove unused apps, it could impact your ability to access the Locknow app at critical times. Do not use earbuds or headphones with the Locknow Safety app. Doing so could damage your ears. This completes the training for general users of the Locknow Safety app. If you have any questions or experience any problems, please reach out to us at team@locknowapp.com. The Locknow Safety app is intended to be an essential enhancement to your existing communication methods. Our experience has shown that integrating various communication tools is crucial. We strongly believe that the panic button feature of the Locknow app can save lives. Additionally, other communication methods offer unique benefits. We recommend mirroring the app with your intercom system as a best practice by using both methods if possible. This approach ensures that everyone on your campus receives alerts effectively. You can decide which alerts your team members have permission to activate. We recommend granting everyone access to the lockdown alert. Remember, users can receive all alerts even if they don't have the ability to activate them. You are in control of your settings, such as who can see and/or participate in the messaging screen. Locknow users linked to more than one campus will see this screen when they activate an alert. These users will select a campus before proceeding further with activation. If your facility experiences two alerts or events at the same time, you can still communicate in both areas. You can access the alert messaging screen and then tap the back button in the top left corner to choose another alert messaging thread. Users who have access to activating drills will do so by selecting Drill on the Slide to Initiate screen. For users authorized to stop or end an alert event, simply tap the button in the top right corner of the messaging screen. This action will send a notification indicating that the event has concluded and access to communication will cease. It's best practice to end the alert event simultaneously with an all-clear announcement. Cooperating police can receive alerts at no additional cost to you. Once registered in the app, police officers will only receive genuine alerts and will not be notified of drill alerts. To register police officers, simply email their names and email addresses to team@locknowapp.com. As previously mentioned, there are numerous free resources available for your facility through the Standard Response Protocol. These include materials for schools, churches, and businesses, such as flyers, posters, and other essential information. We provide a comprehensive range of resources for your safety needs. From active shooter response training to security assessments, we offer various training opportunities designed to enhance the security of your team. Reach out today for a safety training quote. We're thrilled to welcome you to the Locknow Safety Team. Our mission is to support you in achieving the highest level of safety on your campus. Please reach out to us if you have any questions at team@locknowapp.com.